Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a very simple DIY oil to milk cleanser. This cleanser is suitable for most skin types. So let's go ahead and get started creating. So to begin making this formula today, I'm going to be starting out by adding my first ingredient, and that is caprylic triglycerides. This is a fast absorbing oil. It does not clog the pores. It's great for most skin types. Now that I've added the caprylic triglycerides, I'll be adding some meadow foam seed oil. This is great for all skin types. It does not clog the pores, and what I love about this oil is it really helps to give the skin a nice, youthful appearance. The last and final oil that I'll be adding to my cleanser today is going to be avocado oil. This is packed full of antioxidants and vitamins, which is really good for all skin types. And what I love about this is it helps to moisturize and nourish the skin. This next ingredient really helps to make this formula what it is, and it is called polysucamol D9. It is an ingredient that's 100% naturally derived. It also has a really wide range in pH level, and I am using it because it helps to give this cleanser that nice milky appearance. So now that I have all my ingredients here in my beaker, I'm simply just going to take a few minutes and gently stir everything together. Now that I'm done stirring, I'm going to empty everything in my beaker into this pump bottle. I chose to use a pump bottle because it's convenient to use, but it also helps to prevent any contamination getting into my cleanser. So here on my wrist, I will be applying some of this lipstick. And once I have done that, I'm going to follow up by adding some of the cleanser. And then to the cleanser, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of water and then gently rubbing everything in. And this is how you're going to use the cleanser. And once I've rubbed it in, I'm going to take my dry washcloth and just wipe everything away. And so here is what it looks like after I've done all that. Let me go ahead and share the formula along with any substitutions that I would recommend for this milk cleanser. Now, if you do not have the caprylic triglyceride, you can absolutely use fractionated coconut oil in its place. Now, something that I did the first time I made this is I used jojoba oil because I didn't at the time have meadow foam seed oil, and that is something that you can also do. Now, unfortunately, there is no substitution in this particular formula for the polysucamol D9. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.